Welcome back. Still working on the Gage-Hacker. Took kind of a year off, doing a lot of restoration on other people's boats. Back on the Gage-Hacker, had to take all the chrome off. Had some planks split. Pretty much unexpected, but it does happen. Glad it happened here before I got it out in the market to sell, or even sold it. That's why you let them sit for a while. Anyway, I had to refinish the whole top. Got the chrome back on, working on it. In the meantime, I've had built a wooden windshield for it, and still working on that. Almost done with that. Next, I'm going to be putting a teak floor in the boat, and then we'll move on to the engines, and then the interior should be on its way, hopefully by spring, and we'll move on to the next project.